What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Right now I'm heading to my dad's house, about to work on my car a little bit. I got some new springs I ordered, about to install them on the back of here, so stay tuned. Alright guys, me and my dad have it all jacked up on jack stands already. Here's my new springs I got from Hoppos. They're 1 tons, and I ordered the deep cups, so hopefully I don't have to cut them. These are actually the springs that came on the car when I got it out the shop. They're 2 tons and they're extra small, so hopefully I don't have to cut the 1 tons. I actually swapped out those 2 tons for the stock fronts. It helped the ride out a little bit, but it's still kind of bouncy, so let's start tearing it apart. Alright guys, we're done with one side. As you can see, let me see, put the flashlight. That side has a new cup and a new spring. As you can see, the cup goes all the way over the power ball. And on this side, you can still see the whole power ball. So let me start swapping this side out, and then I'll show y'all the final product. Alright guys, just finished putting the new springs and cups on. As you can see, it still lays out the same. We didn't have to cut the springs after all. It rides way better, easier to 3-wheel. Let's see if I can show you all the springs. Y'all should be able to see the springs on this side. You can see the new springs and the new cup. It looks way better. The main thing I like about it is easier to 3-wheel. Still can't pause 3-wheel. Still need a chain bridge. But let's go take it for a ride. Alright guys, I'm about to head home right now. I just took the car for a drive. It rides good. I know this video ain't gonna be too long, but I'm still trying to get used to being in front of the camera, talking behind the camera, just carrying the camera around in general. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.